Hi guys, this is Kautil Roshan, and today we will be talking about Facebook and Instagram ad, how we can know the targeting that normally ads are doing according to the interest base, and how I can do the competitor analysis with Facebook ad or you can say Instagram ad, how I can know how many ads like my competitor are running and all that. So let's start the topic. Whoever is new to the channel, you guys please subscribe my channel so that you get the frequent update about digital marketing, as this channel is totally dedicated to digital marketing, so you will be receiving the digital marketing updates and all that. And don't forget to press the bell icon, guys. Now again, let's move to the topic. Now again, if we go particularly, now again, here is the Facebook account, if you can see. Now again, particularly in this Facebook account, suppose I am browsing. So first thing, like suppose I see this ad, whatever is sponsored, we can say ad. Here again Razorpay ad is there and all that. Now again, if I scroll down further, I can see further ads, particularly suppose this learning solutions and all that. So suppose I want to know, like, okay, why I am seeing this ad or what targeting that this particularly company is doing. So what we can do is, we can go here, we can click, and again you can go with the why I am seeing this ad. So once I click on that ad, so again, like particularly you can say similar to the customer, and I can see the age group, I can see the language that people are speaking, and they are primarily targeting the Indian location. So as if I scroll down and further, if I see any ad, like suppose whatever is sponsored, you will see that is a ad. So I can go here, again I can click on why I am seeing this ad. So you have to click on this three dots, and once we click on this here, now again you can say if we have visited to SEMrush website and their partner website, then you will be eligible to see the ad, because again SEMrush I keep using for my marketing activity, and you guys can watch my SEMrush video. I have explained about SEO, Google ads and advertisements especially, and then like for SEO, particularly social media, how SEMrush is useful. So you guys can check my video, you can go to the playlist and you can check that. Now again, coming to this, again you can say copygenius.io. Now again, this is also ad, how I know sponsored is there. Now again I can go and I can see here why I am seeing the ad. Now again you can see here, I can see the interest that these guys are targeting. So again I can click on this. So again I can see here the one people who have interest in online advertising, digital marketing, adverts and advertising agency, advertising campaign, lead generations and all. So we can see it here. So these are the major targeting option that this company is doing. Apart from that, what they are targeting, the people who are speaking UK and US English particularly. And then we have the age group is between 20 to 55. Now again, particularly this is how like we can know the targeting options of majority of ads. So again, if I scroll down and further, if I show you one more, like suppose this brand is coming. Now again I want to show like, okay, like what targeting they are doing. So I can go here and I can click on this three dots, and again I can see in why I am seeing this ad. So once I see this ad, you can see the interest targeting that they are doing. So whoever has like you can see interest in advertising, publishing, digital marketing and all that, so we can go and we can see that particularly. Apart from this, I can also see the age that they are targeting, 23 to 55, and again particularly communication English, UK and US, and then particularly location is India. Now let's talk about most important thing, like suppose if I want to do the competitor analysis and I want to know like, okay, how my like how many ads my competitor is doing and all that. So for example, let's talk about, suppose I want to know Flipkart, how many ads Flipkart is running. So I can go here in the Flipkart and I can click. So I can go to the page. How I know this Flipkart page, guys? I can see this blue tick mark. So again it says it's verified. So it is verified by Facebook, that is, it is a official Flipkart page. Now again I can scroll down particularly, and when you scroll down here, you will find the page transparency, and then you will click on see all. So once you click on see all, now again you can scroll down slowly, and once you scroll down here, you can see the ad library. So add from this page. So you can click on this, go to ad library. options, and then afterwards here you can scroll down and you can see what are the active ads that Flipkart has. Now you can see here this one ad is there, like particularly you can say the second ad. Now again, like two ads are using the same creative, two ads are using the same creative. So again I can get a good idea about like, okay, like how many ads Flipkart is running, what they are putting as a caption. This we call caption, or you can say headline, or like primary text of the ad, and this is the ad copy, like image or video, whatever we are using. Now again I can search for any, like suppose if I want to search for Amazon, so I can go here and I can search Amazon. Now again particularly I can go and I can see. Now again if I am doing for India, so I can go with Amazon India. If I am doing for globally, so I can go with Amazon.com. So if I go for Amazon India here, now again I can go and I can see here particularly like how many ads Amazon India is doing and what are the active ads. Majorly we can see is the active ads, so you can see active and when they started also, and you can see, and these are the platform. So when you see this is Facebook, this is Instagram, this is Audience Network, like third party website that have done partnership with Facebook to run the ad, and in the Messenger as well. And you can see it has multiple versions and all. So again, if you want to check the details of any ad, so first you can see how many ad, what are the creative, what is the caption or headline or primary text that they are using. Or suppose if I want to check the details, so I can click on see ad detail and I can further see the details, see the multiple version, one of one. So if they have a two version or three version of same ad, so that we can go and we can check that. So this is how like we can in Facebook or Instagram marketing, since Instagram has been bought by Facebook a long time ago. So again, like friends, Facebook ad manager, we can run both the ad. So this will help you in understanding like how you can target or what kind of creative you should use, what caption you should put. And don't forget to subscribe my channel if you want more video like that frequently, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you guys, see you in the next video, and do let me know in the comment section any topic you want a new video on or how you like this particular video. Thank you guys.